So hi guys, in today's tutorial, I will teach you how to create this cool text animation inside After Effects. So let's get into it. So first we will make a composition, so click on New Composition, and then this dialog box will open. So for this particular video, I will name my composition Text Animation Tutorial, and the height and weight to 1440p. At last, I will set my duration to 10 seconds. By the way, the composition settings depend on you for real. Now click Ctrl+T to open Text Tool and type anything, literally anything, because it doesn't matter what you type, it will automatically change into numbers. So for me, I will type 0 and then set it into center or whatever you want the text, and also set the font and other stuff as you need. I will skip this part. Now add slider control. Now nothing will change because the real magic starts from here. Go to your text drop down menu, then you will see source text here. So hold Alt and click on the keyframe, stopwatch icon. Now the expression text pop, so grab this link icon and just take it and place it to your slider control. And with that, your expression would have been updated. So just copy the prompt I have given in the description and paste it here. Or just follow me. So first add a N bracket here, and then go add the start of the prompt and type math.round start bracket. That is it now. If you want any specific letter of symbol like $, then just type this. You can type anything here like dollar symbol or percentage symbol, or any word like I have wrote here, space subscribers. Now you are basically done with the expression. I will align it to the center. I want it in center damn hard. Now click on slider control, stopwatch icon, and go at the end of the layer and set the other values as well. I will type here 1000 and also small it down so it can fit in the composition. As you can see the animation, and now just make any graph you want, and that's it for today's tutorial. I will meet you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.